In part 1, we automated 52 bilingual captions for a year of recruitment posts. Now, it's time to bring those captions to life, turning text into photorealistic visuals ready for social media. This second workflow focuses on visual creation and quality control. Photo style AI still struggles with text placement and realism. So the system iterates, generate, review, refine until the final image meets the user's creative standards. Here is an example of how it runs. Let's run the automation for the first caption, i.e. number 1 over here. We are targeting a sociable banking professional tired of commuting to Singapore seeking team-based work with flexible hours and big financial rewards with captions in English as you can see over here uh, and an equivalent captions in Chinese as well with the hashtags career change, flexible work, and JV careers. Now, let's execute the workflow. They will get the sheet, get the info, they will generate the image prompt, and it sends it off to OpenAI to generate that image. Right, okay, it sent the email and the feedback email for us to review and check. Here we are. Your social media post for week 1. Right, so let's have a look at that. Here are the captions in Chinese, followed with the hashtags and the image generation prompt that was used to develop the image. So let's have a look at the image generation prompt. Save that, or just put that in a window so that I can compare it side by side. Professional corporate lifestyle photo featuring a 28-year-old Malaysian Chinese banking professional in business attire, smiling confidently while working from a modern Johor Bahru co-working space with laptop and financial documents. Background shows a comfortable lounge seating and city views through large windows, contrasting with a subtle visual of congested Singapore traffic fading into the background. Clean space at top for Chinese text, bottom center with a call to action button, natural lighting, professional yet relaxed atmosphere, corporate recruitment style with focus on local career opportunities. And yes, we can see that the image meets almost all the requirements with the exception that the text at the bottom is cut off. So you have, in this case, we have a few options over here on how to progress forward. Generally, there are 5 responses. Either you can reply back approved or reply back to the AI in order for it to revise it. Either number 1, you can use the same prompt to regenerate the image. You can also provide feedback on how the prompt is to be edited, or you can come up with an alternative prompt and instruct it to use that prompt instead, or you can tell the AI to produce a completely new prompt to generate the image. Let's use same prompt to regenerate image. We'll submit that and it goes into that loop and regenerates the image. Send it an email again. Here we go. Again, we see the same problem cropping up. So this tells me that it is possible that there are too many elements in the prompt that is causing it to fail. I will just stick with the comfortable lounge sitting. Use alternative prompt and hopefully that does the trick. Now the text is completely cut off, so it may be pointless to utilize this same prompt. So instead, I'll respond back to the AI to produce a new prompt to generate the image. So I'll press submit. Here we are. Let's download the image. Let's compare this with the latest prompt. We'll just copy and paste that. Professional lifestyle scene featuring a diverse team of young financial advisors in business casual attire celebrating together in a modern office lounge with floor-to-ceiling windows showing the local cityscape. 29-year-old Malay woman and 27-year-old Indian man raising glasses in celebration, surrounded by colleagues working flexibly on laptops and tablets. Background features comfortable collaboration areas and digital screens showing growth charts. Top center with the Chinese text. Yes, it matches with prominent call to action. Warm natural lighting, empowering team atmosphere, professional yet social environment that highlights flexible work arrangements and local career benefits. So I would say yes, this iteration matches the prompt and there are not too many issues with it. We can proceed. We say approved. So we respond back approved. It then gets the latest approved email, uploads it to Google Drive, then shares the file to Blotato and posts it on Facebook and Instagram and updates the status of the Google Sheet. The status has been revised to done. Let's look at Facebook and Instagram. We have the Facebook posting, and here we have the post on Instagram that has been posted by Blotato. As mentioned in part 1, I'm unable to share prompt and node configuration details as the workflows are proprietary. However, here are the lessons I learned from developing the second workflow. Number 1, photorealistic image generation is far tougher than marketing graphic design. I had to embed logical and cultural rules, things like attire, actions, and diversity cues to make visuals believable and respectful. Number 2, Chinese text added complexity. To ensure correct Chinese text was produced, I limited each phrase to 4 to 6 characters. Number 3, character diversity doesn't happen automatically. Prompts must specify ethnicity and age range. Otherwise, the model defaults based on language cues, i.e. characters will be ethnic Chinese with Chinese text. Number 4, the best results came from a less is more approach. Too many elements in one prompt confused the model and produced strange images. Number 5, perfect results rarely happen on the first try. Multiple iterations are typical, possibly up to 8. Number 6, it can be cost-effective to have either ChatGPT Plus or an alternative paid or free AI image generator to test how changes to the image prompt have an impact on the image output, as each API call to OpenAI is billed per request. Number 7, for publishing, Blotato offered a practical workaround for Facebook and Instagram token duration limits, worth the small subscription if you want truly hands-off posting. And finally, number 8, building reliable AI workflows isn't about chasing perfection, it's about understanding your system's limits and designing around them. Once you know the limitations, you can make automation predictable and repeatable. This two-part system shows how AI can take over large-scale content production, replacing the need for outsourced social media work and allowing businesses to scale their content effortlessly while keeping full creative control in-house. If you'd like to learn how to build your own n8n automations, I highly recommend Nate Herc's 8-hour tutorial. You'll find the link in the description. If you want to explore how automation can streamline your recruitment, marketing, or business operations, feel free to reach out for consultation or collaboration. My contact link is below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more real-world AI automation breakdowns, please like and subscribe.